It's finally, guys, what's up? So finally, I'm allowed to go live, and it took a minute, but it's all good. So let me get to this real quick because I know you guys need to hear it. So, all right, let's do it. Finally, this looks pretty good too. I actually like this. All right, so um, the whole purpose of me coming on tonight for you guys is to let you guys in on a little secret, okay? And that secret is this. Like, a lot of us are creating content all day long, right? You're trying to find the right time to post. You're looking for the right content to, type of content to post. And the problem is you're not growing. Nothing is seeming to work. You're still stuck at the same amount of views or the same amount of followers. To be honest, it's really not about the views or the followers. The more viewership, you could have millions and millions and millions of views, and still your content doesn't connect, right? Because people are just kind of scrolling by, and you're really not doing much, and but wasting your time. And the problem is this, the reason why you're not growing. And I'm telling you firsthand because it happened to me, man. I was stuck in this rut. You're stuck. Not because you're lazy, not because you're not motivated, not because of uh, the content that you're creating doesn't have value, right? The problem is this, your focus. You're off focus, and you're off focus because you probably don't have a system, and that is 100% your issue. That's it. You just don't have a system. You got the motivation, you got the energy, you go and actually create the content. It just isn't moving or going anywhere. And here could be the flaws, right? Like this. It could be that you're posting personal content with the content you actually want people to follow. And you're leading people nowhere. They're not getting anywhere with your content. They don't know if you are in a restaurant today posting the food that you're eating, or you're talking about a webinar that you're going to be conducting. They don't know if you are out driving doing donuts in your car, or you're actually going to do an episode for of whatever. Say you're a podcaster. They don't know if you're going to pitch an idea, as you may say, versus you going to hang out with your friends. And those are, I'm telling you, the reason why your content is probably not connecting with people, man. And that's it. In a nutshell, that's it. But I can help you, and I want to help you. All you have to do is honestly take my offer, man. Take it up, hook up with me, and let's talk about it on my Patreon community. Google Rux Place Patreon, or just Rux Place Community, and I'm pretty sure it'll pop up for you. Go over there, sign up, and let's talk about it and find out if we're a fit. But I'll tell you this, I'll be straight with you. I won't sugarcoat anything. You might get your feelings hurt a few times, but sometimes we need that. And I will get you on the right track, and then we can grow together. I'll be there for you, but you got to make an investment in yourself. And if you do that with me, I will definitely take you as far as you want to go. Okay, because still at the end of the day, you got to put in the work, and I can definitely guide you and make um, just we could we could go all kind of places with this. All right, so I'm Chuck Rucker. Rux Place is my podcast. Thank you for coming by my channel, coming to hang out with me live right here. It took a while, man. I've been working on this for a minute, trying to get this live to work. I got a new gizmo or a new Osmo, so it's pretty cool. But the point of my uh, live tonight is to have you guys join me in my community on Patreon. And here's the thing, man. Don't come in on the free tier. It just won't do you any good. Come in at a tier that you could afford and that you're willing to just come in and hang out with me for however long you want to do it. We can set appointments. We will calendar our meetings, and overall, you'll get the pricing of what it costs to work with somebody like me. But I guarantee you that I'll get you on track if you're willing to put in the work. But if you're not willing to put in the work, it's a waste of our time. So let's not do that. But I want you to come and check it out. I want you to come and talk to me. Let me analyze and look at your situation, and let me put you on the track. All right. I'm Chuck Rucker again, man. Ruck's Place is the channel. Ruck's Place community on Patreon is where you sign up, and then we'll get you scheduled for a one-on-one session. All right. Until then, peace. Happy New Year, man. And women, Happy New Year.